Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an egg sandwich in the oven. This method is incredibly simple and yields perfectly cooked eggs every time, making your morning routine much smoother. We'll cover everything from preparing your ingredients to the final delicious assembly. Get ready to transform your breakfast with this convenient and tasty approach, ensuring a warm, satisfying meal without the stovetop mess. Now let's get those eggs ready for their oven journey. For each sandwich, whisk together 2 or 3 large eggs with a tablespoon of milk or cream. This makes them extra fluffy. Don't forget to season them well with salt, pepper, and perhaps a pinch of dried chives or parsley for added flavor. Then, carefully pour your seasoned egg mixture into your prepared muffin tins or a small baking dish, filling each about 3/4 full. It's time to bake. Place your egg-filled muffin tin or baking dish into the preheated oven. They will need about 10 to 12 minutes to cook through, becoming beautifully set and fluffy. While the eggs are baking, pop your bread into the toaster to achieve that ideal golden crispness. Once everything is ready, carefully remove the eggs and assemble your sandwich by layering the warm egg, a slice of cheese, and any other delicious fillings onto your perfectly toasted bread. The best part about this oven egg sandwich is how easily you can customize it. Feel free to add cooked bacon, a slice of ham, or some sautéed spinach for extra deliciousness. Don't be afraid to experiment with various cheeses, like a sharp cheddar or a melty provolone, to find your favorite combination. Once assembled, serve your warm, homemade oven-baked egg sandwich right away and savor every single bite. Enjoy your perfectly crafted breakfast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.